Donna Bush with your CID-TV News Brief on this Thursday. We begin with the latest on COVID-19 results and much more from Chief Medical Officer Dr. John Lee.
As of 8 a.m. Thursday the 7th of October, there have been 731 tests for SARS-CoV-2 since the last report that it was issued to the press yesterday morning. Of these, there are 4 new tests in travellers exiting from quarantine and 5 in children from our community. You'll all be aware that some schools are closing a little bit early for the midterm break that's coming up shortly. I remember my excitement whenever I had a break of any kind from school, and I'm sure you're all very excited to have a little escape. However, we're doing this in order that we can try and help prevent the spread of the coronavirus. We'll all know there's been an outbreak across many of the schools in Grand Cayman. So please use that time with some thought around not mixing with other households and other children and other families during your break. I understand this is not necessarily welcome news, but bear in mind the reason that we've done this is to try and break the cycle of transmission that has currently been going on.
And you can watch Dr. Lee's entire video update at youtube.com/Cayman Islands Government. We also encourage you to go online to gov.ky and hsa.ky for the very latest in COVID-19 and vaccination results, and as well as to get a schedule of vaccine clinics. Well, on Thursday, Department of Education Services Director Mark Ray speaks to a number of topics, including why the decision was taken to close local government schools early and what parents should be considering over the break.
Having realized that our schools would soon run the risk of having insufficient staff to function effectively, the Ministry of Education yesterday decided to bring forward the dates when schools located on Grand Cayman will close for midterm break. The Ministry has also taken the decision to maintain the previously scheduled midterm dates in the sister island schools, since there have not been any confirmed COVID-19 cases in any of those schools to date. Over the midterm break, parents are encouraged to avoid their children mixing with other children from different households. The safety protocols that pertain in schools should be encouraged during the break, namely good hand hygiene, spacing where possible, and masking, particularly where distancing cannot be maintained and interactions are for longer than 15 minutes.
You can watch Mr. Ray's entire interview on the Cayman Islands Government YouTube channel. Well, finally, nominations are open for the public to nominate your hero.
This process has been ongoing for several years now, and it seemed like from year to year it just gets absolutely better. It's just an honor for us to be able to truly acknowledge those that have contributed so much to our society. The theme for 2022 is really exciting, but it's truly going to be one of a challenging nature because it is honoring uniform services, and so the scope of that is just so broad, and many of these individuals are seen already in the light of them running in when we're running out. They're truly unsung heroes in many aspects.
And you can find the Heroes Day nomination application online at celebratecayman.ky. Again, the deadline to get those in is the 16th of October. Now for a look at our forecast, the high temperature reached a high of 89 degrees today, the low 77. We can expect partly cloudy skies with a 30% chance of showers, while winds are from the east to northeast at 5 to 10 knots. Sea conditions are slight to moderate with wave heights of 2 to 4 feet. A reminder that you can find the latest unexpected local weather conditions online at weather.gov.ky. And that ends today's news brief here on CIG Television. I'm Donna Bush, as always, thanking you for joining us, wishing you a safe and wonderful night, and inviting you back here again tomorrow. Until then, bye-bye for now.